Hello guys, how to reset Xbox game app on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. Sometimes it happens that your Xbox game app not working properly. Then in this situation, you must reset your Xbox game app. To do so, go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and here from the left side choose apps. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps. Here in search field type Xbox and click on three horizontal dot against Xbox game app. Click on three horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Click on it. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First apply repair, and if this app still is not working right, then reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Click on reset again and wait for some time. It will take few seconds and a small tick will appear just on reset button. It means your Xbox app successfully reset. That's all.